Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. That day on my way home, I accidentally came across a pot of peace lily left by the roadside. Yellowing leaves, drooping down, and soil that was dry and hardened as if it hadn't been cared for in a long time. Perhaps the previous owner had thrown it away, thinking the plant could no longer be revived. But to me, as long as the roots are still there is still hope. I decided to bring it home and try to revive and save the plant using a simple method. With only ingredients available in the kitchen, even things that many people consider waste. If you're new, stay until the end of the video to see whether I can revive this plant or not. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any planting, care, and plant revival tips on the Great Garden channel. Let's get started. After bringing the plant home, the first thing we need to do is check the root system. Observe carefully. The roots are the heart that determines whether the plant can be saved or not. You should check whether the roots are still firm and have a white or light yellow color. Those are healthy roots. On the other hand, if the roots are soft, dark brown, or black and have a foul smell, then they are rotten and need to be treated immediately. Next, use specialized scissors disinfected with alcohol and proceed to completely cut off all dried, damaged roots and yellowed leaves. This pruning helps completely remove dead or infected parts, preventing fungi and bacteria from spreading to the healthy parts of the plant. At the same time, once the damaged parts are removed, the plant no longer has to feed useless parts and can focus all its nutrients on regenerating new roots and recovering faster. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After that, rinse the plant under clean running water. Wash gently to completely remove dirt, old soil stuck to the roots, as well as impurities that may contain remaining pathogens. You should use your hands to gently separate roots that are stuck together, allowing water to reach deep inside without damaging healthy roots. If there are any slightly damaged roots left, you can easily detect them after rinsing and treat them again thoroughly. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. After washing, let the plant air dry naturally for a few minutes. This helps reduce excess moisture and prevents conditions that allow bacteria to grow when replanting. This is a small but very important step, because a clean root system is the foundation for the plant to recover quickly and grow healthily later on. While waiting for the plant to dry, we proceed to prepare an organic fertilizer solution. Do you have potatoes at home? Potatoes, especially the peels, contain many beneficial nutrients such as potassium, phosphorus, calcium, along with vitamin B and vitamin C, which are very good for your plant. First, to use potatoes, I will wash the potato peels to remove dirt and impurities from the surface before using them. Washing helps eliminate bacteria, dust, and unwanted substances remaining on the peel, making the solution cleaner and safer for the peace lily. At the same time, this also helps prevent introducing pathogens into the growing environment, allowing the plant to grow healthier and more stable. Next, use a peeler to remove the potato skins. Peeling helps obtain the part rich in natural nutrients such as potassium, vitamins, and micronutrients, which are very beneficial for plant growth. Separating the peel also makes it easier to prepare the nutrient solution, allowing nutrients to dissolve faster during soaking or brewing. These nutrients help support root and leaf development, while also stimulating better growth. Then, put all the potato peels into a pot. Next, add about 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature. Finally, turn on the stove and boil the potato peels for about 15 minutes. Potatoes contain a lot of starch, while peace lily roots cannot directly absorb raw starch. If the solution contains too much starch, it may create conditions for bacteria and fungi to grow, increasing the risk of root rot. Boiling the potato peels helps reduce the starch content, and at the same time releases soluble minerals such as potassium. As a result, the solution becomes safer for peace lily roots while still providing essential natural nutrients. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat and let the solution cool before using. During that time, I also use rice powder to support the potato peel solution. Rice powder contains many B vitamins, minerals, and a small amount of easily digestible starch, helping provide gentle energy for the plant and supporting stronger root development. Prepare a clean glass, add 3 tablespoons of rice powder. Next, pour about 500 milliliters of hot water and stir well until the rice powder is completely dissolved, forming a uniform solution. Cover and let it sit for about 15 minutes until it cools down. After the potato peel solution has cooled, it is ready to use, but it should not be used directly because it still needs further processing to make it more suitable and safer for the plant. First, I will strain the potato peel water through a sieve. This filtering helps retain small residues and remaining starch, leaving only clear water containing dissolved minerals. Now, we have a nutrient-rich potato peel solution for the plant. After 15 minutes, the rice powder solution has also cooled. I then strain it to remove the residue, keeping only the clear liquid. At this step, I combine the rice powder solution with the potato peel solution. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Finally, add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the mixture. That's it. We now have a nutrient-rich solution for the plant. First, use a cup as shown in the video and take a full cup of the solution. Then, fully submerge the peace lily roots in the potato peel and rice powder mixture for 15 minutes. This helps the roots directly absorb natural nutrients such as potassium, vitamins, and minerals, thereby stimulating faster root recovery and improving water and nutrient absorption. During that time, use a soft cotton pad soaked in the solution to gently wipe the peace lily leaves, both the top and underside. Using the potato peel and rice flour solution not only helps remove dust and long-standing residue, but also eliminates some bacteria and harmful agents on the leaf surface. In addition, natural nutrients such as potassium, vitamins, and minerals in the solution are gently absorbed through the leaves, nourishing them from the outside, making them greener, thicker, and naturally shinier over time. When leaves are properly cleaned and nourished, photosynthesis is significantly improved, helping the plant absorb light better and enhancing recovery and growth. The remaining solution will be poured into a spray bottle and used for other plants in the garden. Here, I use it to spray orchids. The rice and potato solution provides natural nutrients such as B, vitamins, potassium, and minerals, helping increase resistance, limit fungal diseases, and promote healthier growth. In addition, spraying on leaves helps clean the surface and improve photosynthesis, thereby stimulating stronger root growth, greener leaves, and better flowering potential. Next, prepare the soil mixture for replanting. Use a ratio of 50% soil and 50% coconut coir. Then mix them well together. This creates a loose, well-aerated medium that still retains necessary moisture, very suitable for peace lily growth. Coconut coir helps retain moisture and prevents the soil from drying out too quickly, while soil provides stability and basic nutrients. When combined properly, roots can grow more easily, reducing waterlogging and root rot risk. After 15 minutes, remove the plant from the potato and rice solution. Then use a soft cloth to gently dry the roots and leaves. This helps remove excess moisture, reducing prolonged dampness that can cause fungal diseases. At the same time, it keeps the surface dry and airy, helping the plant recover better and adapt quickly to the new environment. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next is the most important step, replanting the plant. First, prepare a suitable pot. Spread a thin layer of soil at the bottom to create a base. Then place the plant in the center, keeping it upright and balanced. Continue adding soil around the base, covering the roots completely but not pressing too tightly, ensuring the soil remains loose and airy. Gently press with your hands to secure the plant, helping it stand firmly while maintaining soil looseness for better root development. That's it. We have completed planting the peace lily. Place the plant in a dry, well-ventilated area with gentle light for about 3 days to stabilize. This helps the cut areas on roots and leaves dry naturally, reducing the risk of fungal and bacterial infection. It also allows the plant to gradually adapt to the new environment, reducing shock and supporting recovery. After about 3 days, begin watering the plant gently. Only water enough to keep it moist. Avoid overwatering to prevent root rot, especially during the recovery phase. Once the plant stabilizes, you can maintain a proper watering routine to help it grow healthier. Additionally, you can pour a small amount of water into the bottom of a container and place the pot inside. This is a semi-hydroponic method, very suitable for busy people. The plant will absorb water from below as needed, helping prevent overwatering. At the same time, moisture rising from the bottom helps maintain stable humidity around the roots, supporting growth without waterlogging. Results. After 2 months of care with patience and dedication, your peace lily has clearly recovered. From a wilted plant with yellow drooping leaves, it has now become lush green with firm and upright leaves. The roots have also changed impressively. From dry, weak roots, they have now grown white, thick, longer, and firmly attached to the medium. A healthy root system helps the plant absorb water and nutrients better, forming the foundation for long-term growth. Not only that, the plant has begun producing new leaves and even flower buds, a clear sign that it has truly revived and is growing steadily. A well-deserved result for proper care. And you can absolutely achieve this at home. This is a rewarding result of patience and proper care. When nurtured correctly, the plant will reward you with lasting vitality and elegant beauty. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss simple yet effective plant care tips. See you in the next videos on Great Garden.